Let's have a look at this lightweight mini chainsaw. It's perfect for homeowners who need to handle quick yard jobs like trimming trees, shrubs, and branches. Now, I live in hurricane country, so I picked this one up to deal with the limbs and debris that end up in my yard after every storm. Because it only weighs 3.3 pounds, this chainsaw is easily manageable, making it perfect for users who don't need a full-size chainsaw. The motor, to me, feels really strong, and to keep the chain in good shape, it has an automatic oiler. Now, you don't need any special lubricant, just regular old motor oil you happen to have around works fine. Inside the box, you'll find a hard carrying case, 2 batteries, 2 chains, an extra guide bar, a bar and chain cover, a screwdriver, gloves, safety glasses, and an easy-to-read manual. Now, this saw feels sturdy and solid to me, and I expect it to be around a long time. Thanks for watching.